everyone. In this video, we will do the solution discussion for 1.4. So as I told you that you should add a subheading in about programming as about HTML. And I gave you a hint that it should be H3, a H3. So first the bracket open and H3, then the bracket close. That's the opening tag. And the content here, that is about HTML for us, and then the tag open slash h3 and the tag close. So that's the closing tag. See you in the next challenge 1.5.